Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. If this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. It's a day 20. On a day 20, I will discuss about a data structure. It's a very important concept in Python. So first data structure I discussed, that's a list. List, anything inside the bracket, that's a list. And second, also we know that the string. String is also a data structure, and anything inside the double inverted comma, it's a string. So as in a I store a bracket, and then we ask the what's the type of a, then it gives the list. Okay, and now in a I store a list with a bracket. I start a bracket means the list I have started, and it prove that anything inside the list we can store, right? Like one is an integer, a is a string, and यहाँ पे true दे रखा, this is a true is a boolean, and 1.0 is the float, and then we write a, so it gives the whatever we can store, store, it give us that. Now in a A2, I have store a string box and also store a list. It means that it proves that the we can also store inside the list inside the list. Okay, so as we write here the A2, so it gives us the full list and inside the second list. Okay, so and notice that as we know the string is immutable, but lists are mutable. It means that in the string it means that in a double inverted comma we can't change anything else, but in a list are mutable means that we can change anything what we want to change in it. Okay, so stay tuned with us. For tomorrow we will discuss this concept.